Hi, welcome back to our channel, Come Draw With Us. Today I'm going to show you how I drew this marvelous Spidey in Procreate. I'm going to start with his head. So the first thing I did was drew a perfect circle, and then I used the liquify tool to kind of move it around to make it more of an egg shape. And then I drew a couple of guidelines on the face to figure out where to place the eyes and the center of the spider web. And then for the body, I started to draw shapes to get proportions to figure out where things should go. And I minimized the opacity of that layer and then started drawing the shape of the body over the outline. Once I had the final sketch done, I then reduced the opacity of that layer, created a new layer above it, and started drawing the final outline of Spider-Man. I included a link to the color palette that I used in the description below, but I just created a layer underneath the outline and just started adding the base colors of the red and blue. Once I had the base colors in, I just finished up the drawing by adding 2 new layers on top of the red as well as on top of the blue, making them clipping masks, and just added the shading and the highlight. If you don't want to worry about drawing Spidey, I included a link to my drawing in the description down below, so you can just have fun coloring if you want to. And this is the final product once all the shading and highlights are in. I hope you had a great time watching this tutorial, and thanks for watching.